how to set a default background color for video call effects on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. Now in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on Advanced Features. From here, scroll down, then tap on Video Effects. At the top here, make sure you turn on Video Effects. Then down here, you can select a background color. So select a color that you would like to use, or you can tap on the color picker. And from here, you can use the hex number. You can use the hex number. Or you can select a color from the swatches or the spectrum. And then tap on Done. And you can also choose a background image if you don't want to use the background color. And that's it. After that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.